So a question we get quite often in our clinic is when can I get a second transplant? No, and if you can get a second hair transplant. The short answer to this is yes. However, there are several conditions that need to be met. Number one, there has to be a minimum of 6 months up to 1 year from your first hair transplant. Also, what conditions do we need to fulfill? Well, if you want to add density to your current hairline or to your first hair transplant, or if you want to work on your crown, then a second hair transplant is definitely a viable option. So at Clinique de Paris, we can also repair a natural looking hairlines as well as hair transplants by adding density and adding hair to new areas. So the advantage of choosing DHI is that it offers minimal disruption to the skin. It uses a very fine needle in both extraction and implantation, and there is better survival as well as density. So the advantage of choosing DHI is that there are no strips or scars, it has a very natural looking finish, and that there is maximum density. If you have any questions about hair or hair loss, visit our website or click to find out more.